when I came here 10 years ago. So I just wanted to come here and just study. Now, I have a family here, my wife, my daughter. I worked for my current boss, so that's just how it happened that I saw this opening at Allison. I look back again at my decision. It was again second best decision after coming to America. So my day-to-day routine involves working with suppliers. We also work internally. We make decisions which are not just good for next 3 months or 6 months, but they also are good for like next 3 to 5 years. Allison is a place where not just you can learn about day-to-day business aspects, but at the same time you also learn about how you treat others. You learn how you should be respectful to others' ideas. They respect who you are the way you are, and that has been really big confidence booster for me. This is one of the most exciting times, I think, to be at Allison. So if you are ready for something which gives you new opportunities every day, which allows you to learn something new every day, this is the right place.